This chicken recipe surprised everyone. To start, I'm going to cut one chicken breast fillet into slices. Then I'm going to cover with plastic film, and I'm going to beat these fillets with the help of a hammer. Oh, tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now I'm going to transfer these breast fillets to a bowl, and I'm going to season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix well. I'm going to cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 5 minutes. After that, grate 250 grams of mozzarella cheese and add it to a bowl. I will also add parsley and chives to taste, 1 egg, and mix well. If you're enjoying this recipe, stay until the end to see a list of all the ingredients. To continue, I'm going to put the chicken on a platter and add to the mixture we made. And if you've watched this video up to here, it's a sign that you're enjoying our recipe. So write down below, I love chicken. Finally, I'm going to take it to the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now, just enjoy it. Guys, this recipe is very easy to make and it's very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at your house and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this far. See you in the next video. Bye.